Imagine an ingredient that takes humble, everyday garlic and transforms it into something extraordinary, a culinary delight that is sweet, savory, and tangy all at once, a powerhouse of health benefits, and so unique that it seems like a secret magic trick performed in your kitchen. Welcome to the fascinating world of black garlic. But what is black garlic exactly? How is it made? Is it really good for you? And how do you use it in your daily meals? These questions will be unraveled in the course of this video, so buckle up for a culinary adventure that's about to take you from the ordinary to the extraordinary. But before we dive deeper, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel. We put together these guides to bring you the latest in food and health, helping you make informed choices. Your support helps us continue doing this. Very okay. Black garlic is no ordinary garlic. It's a type of aged garlic, first used in Asian cuisine, especially in Korea, Japan, and Thailand. But its popularity has exploded worldwide in recent years due to its unique flavor and purported health benefits. How does it get that distinct black color? Is it some kind of food coloring, or is it naturally occurring? The answer lies in the magic of fermentation. When fresh garlic is kept in a controlled environment of heat and humidity for several weeks, the enzymes that give fresh garlic its sharp flavor slowly break down. These conditions also facilitate the Maillard reaction, a chemical process responsible for the browning or caramelizing effect seen in cooked foods. This is what turns the garlic cloves black. The magic of this process, which seems as much an art as a science, is that it transforms the strong, sharp flavor of raw garlic into something completely different. Black garlic is sweet, with hints of balsamic vinegar, tamarind, and even licorice. The texture changes too, becoming jelly-like and soft. But is this transformation just about flavor? The answer is no. Black garlic is not just a delicious addition to your pantry, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. A study published in the journal Nutrients in 2020 demonstrated that black garlic has higher antioxidant properties than fresh garlic due to the fermentation process. This means it may help combat oxidative stress in your body. Further, research from the Journal of Life and Environmental Sciences in 2019 suggests that the compounds in black garlic may aid heart health, reducing the risk of diseases such as atherosclerosis. Another study in Experimental and Therapeutic Medicine in 2016 suggested that black garlic could even have potential anti-cancer properties, although more research is needed in this area. Is black garlic the secret superfood astronauts use to keep healthy in space? That might be taking it a step too far. But there's no denying the unique characteristics and benefits black garlic brings to the table. Now that you know what black garlic is and its benefits, you might be wondering, how do you use it? And could you make it at home? You will find the answers to these questions further along in the video. Keep watching as we unravel the secrets of black garlic, explore delicious recipes, and even reveal how you can create this magical ingredient in your very own kitchen. There's more to black garlic than its unique color and taste. This superfood has been gaining attention for its possible effects on cognitive health. A study published in the Nutrition Research and Practice journal in 2016 found that black garlic extract could potentially improve memory function in mice, pointing to its potential as a functional food for brain health. Of course, further research is needed, especially on humans, but this early study indicates an exciting possibility. For those wondering about the safety of black garlic, it's generally recognized as safe. However, like with any food, moderation is key. Too much of it could potentially upset your stomach or cause other digestive issues, especially for those who are sensitive to allium vegetables. It's always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider before adding new foods to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant or nursing. Now, onto its culinary uses. Black garlic has a taste that's so versatile it can be added to almost any dish. It can be used in sauces, marinades, vinaigrettes, and dips. You can blend it into soups for a depth of flavor, or use it as a topping on pizza. For a simple, delicious snack, try spreading black garlic puree on a piece of crusty bread, topped with a sprinkle of sea salt. The possibilities are endless. There's also a lot of interest in making black garlic at home. This process requires time and patience but can be very rewarding. All you need is fresh garlic, a rice cooker or a slow cooker, and about 3 weeks. The process involves maintaining the garlic at a temperature of about 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, for a prolonged period, which allows the Maillard reaction to occur. There you have it, a more complete guide to black garlic. From its origins and how it's made, to its health benefits, potential side effects, and how to use it in your everyday meals. To wrap things up, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this information helpful and share it with your friends and family. Remember, sharing is caring. If you haven't already done so, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos packed with fascinating food facts that could improve your life. Very okay. Thanks for watching.